Using the Microsoft Indic Language Input tool, Microsoft Corporation freely provides software for Indian typing. Go to Microsoft's download site. Make sure you've selected Hindi as your language, and then click on Install Desktop Version. Wait for the software to download and install. If the software is successfully installed in your system, then it will create a language bar in the taskbar. Choose a Hindi language from the bar, then you can type in Hindi in Microsoft Word. Using a font. Search online for an Indian font that allows Hindi characters. Download it. Install the font on your computer. Select the chosen font in Word and start typing. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.